Hi there, welcome to our channel. My name is Andra and today I'm going to walk you through a smart way to manage meeting rooms end to end. More specifically, I'll show you how employees can book catering, equipment or maintenance in the same step as booking the room, and how workplace teams can track all those requests in one place so nothing slips through the cracks. To get started, you just select the space you want to book, then set the booking details like date and time and activate the services toggle. The request pop-up will open and you will be able to browse the available categories. Choose what you need, select the time and quantity. For this example, I'm going to choose a few coffees to be delivered to my morning meeting so I can enjoy them with my workmates. After selecting the services, you just complete the room booking and the request will go to the right person for delivery. If you are a workplace manager, you can use the services dashboard to see all bookings in a clear timeline. Here you can get all of the information of who requested what service, when and where it is needed. This makes management a lot faster and easier, making sure everybody gets what they need. All of this is incredibly useful if you often host large, important meetings and it just works just as well for corporate events. If you want more content like this, hit like, subscribe and check out the next video. See you soon!